Hey everybody, I'm Zone, and I sampled 2025 of Logic Stop samples into 13 drum kits, and this is a super quick overview of how they work. So I'm going to load up my favorite one, beat tape, and then I'm going to throw a drummer region on the track just to, give it something to play. All I have to do, instead of clicking through the library and working with load times, is scroll these knobs that are programmed into it with a little bit of scripter magic and sampler in lieu of quick sampler. This is just one kit, but I did it for 13 of the included sound packs, and each sound pack works for a different genre. Apple did a pretty good job of curating the sounds, so I'm just kind of piggybacking off of the expertise of their sound designers. And the best part is, they're for $4, but there is a free thing on the website that you can download, and I'll show you how to put it together right now. It's basically a blank kit with all the programming and mapping already done. So it's pretty much a two-step process. The first step is finding 20 samples and dragging them in to the sampler that you want them in. For this kit, we're going to want to make sure that the bottom note lands on note C2 and then scales up chromatically. Step 2 is just making sure that our drum machine designer output matches the output of our MIDI script. In this case, that's again C2. What would be the third and quasi-fourth step of mapping this out to smart controls is already done for you. All you have to do is drag in 20 samples. For now, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Building these was a little tedious, but having them preloaded into a template has just been a boatload of fun.